What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to block a WordPress website user without deleting this user account. So imagine the following scenario. A person is commenting some kind of spam or some kind of bad comments, some problematic, create some trouble into your blog, into your forum, into your community, and into your membership website, and you would like to block this person. However, you can't delete this person account. So what to do is what they're gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us because you bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to use internet on our site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is locate your user. So go to our WordPress dashboard. Normally it's your domain plus WP admin, and review the left sidebar of menus. We're gonna hover our mouse over left sidebar of menus, call it users, okay? And right here we're gonna be able to see all of the users on your site. If you can't find the user easier, there is a search field into the upper right corner of your screen called search user, okay? You can type the name right here. I have a user right here called bad user. It can be any name. In this case it's John Doe, okay? Or Jane Doe. It's up to you, but it's just an example name. Find your user and click into this button, okay? Click to open the user profile. Right here you can change the user password, for example. You can change the language of the user, the colors, and into the rule that is the most important part for us. Normally the user can be a customer, an author, a subscriber, any kind of user, an editor. But if you scroll this page down, you're gonna be able to see this option, no rule for this site. According to the how many plugins, how many post types you have, you may see a lot of rules right here, but the unique one that we are looking for is this one, no rule for this site, okay? This is the rule. After this, we're gonna click, scroll down a lot, and click right here, update user. So as soon as you do this, the user will no longer be able to do absolutely anything on your site. He still can access this profile, read things, access your content, access your membership content. However, he or she will no longer be able to create comments, to create posts, to like or dislike, to vote on your system. So the user only gonna be able to view the site, but no rule at all. After this, we have done our process. There is other methods, but I'm gonna explain into other videos. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin, in-game widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site. Or Enzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to set up your site. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog or site for receiving and publishing guest posts for free. And in the case that you want to go premium while doing your WordPress website, in order to save your time and create your dreams website, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our templates library. That is a collection with hundreds of pre-built websites, like all of those ones right here, that you can import with a single click and make a ready website from the beginning, including premium icons, blocks, templates, assets, and many more features. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!